guys, so here I'm making the hole in the middle of the quern-stone. Pretty easy. I'm just pounding a chisel in, turn it, pound it, turn it, pound it, turn it. See, that's going pretty fast. I can just go a little bit faster if I want. Look at that. Ow, don't hit my thumb. Yeah, it's a lot easier than doing the outside. So I'm just going to continue in this. These holes tend to be about 10 centimeters. They'll round in a bit, but yeah, this is how you can make a hole through granite, just by beating, crushing it, and turning it. I guess that's the same principle as the modern hammer drills. I should make that sound. See? That's really easy. Yeah, so here I'm just making the hole and working on the hole, making it a little bit bigger. Yeah, I started out with the, the middle. You saw the earlier video. Started out with the middle hole, and I worked down, and now I'm working back up, and that lets me get it nice and even. Not really hard. It's just time consuming. See, so I'm working. Here I'm working down and up. That way I can control the diameter. Make sure the diameter is what I want in a controlled manner, just by crushing it down. Yeah, so here I'm using some sand to make sure that the two faces are mated nice together. They're both hammered with random hammer markings, which is very common on these Viking Age ones that have been found in Norway. And I'll go through later on and finish rounding this, but I wanted to get these two faces done. And also, I wanted to do some final adjustments on the wooden bit in the middle. I think it's called a find or a fund. I don't know how it's pronounced. But yeah, so that's what I'm up to today. Just making sure the two grind nicely.